Welcome to the VivaVibe Marketing Agency channel, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge marketing strategies in advanced industries. Whether you're in the solar panel, smart home, construction, or AI technology sector, our team of dedicated marketing experts is here to guide you through the latest marketing and sales techniques. Now, let's dive right in. We're a passionate group of marketing experts, each with our own specialty. Our collective knowledge and experience enable us to excel in marketing for advanced industries, such as solar panel companies, home automation businesses, construction and re-innovation services, and cutting-edge AI firms. Our team offers a unique blend of soft skills and technical expertise. We understand that marketing in advanced industries requires a different approach, and that's where our specialized knowledge comes into play. We'll help you navigate the complexities of your industry and craft tailored marketing strategies that work in the fast-paced world of advanced technology. Staying current with the latest trends and strategies is crucial. That's why our channel is dedicated to bringing you up-to-date information on the ever-evolving marketing landscape. We're not the voice of just one individual. We represent a multitude of perspectives, ensuring you get a well-rounded understanding of the field. Our soft skills approach focuses on understanding your target audience and their needs deeply. We'll teach you how to build meaningful connections with your customers, create compelling content, and establish a brand that resonates. Our techniques will help you build trust and loyalty within your customer base. On the technical side, we'll delve into the intricacies of digital marketing, data analysis, and automation tools. You'll learn how to harness the power of data to make informed decisions, optimize your marketing campaigns, and achieve measurable results. We'll keep you informed about the latest tools and technologies that can give you a competitive edge. We believe in the value of our services, and to show our commitment to your success, we offer a free initial consultation. That's right, the first consultation is on us. During this session, we'll assess your unique needs and challenges, and together we'll chart a course towards achieving your marketing goals. VivaVibe isn't just a marketing agency. It's a community of like-minded professionals and businesses striving for excellence. We encourage you to engage with us, ask questions, and share your experiences in the comments below. Together, we can create a supportive and collaborative environment that fosters growth and innovation. In summary, VivaVibe Marketing Agency is your trusted partner in marketing for advanced industries. Whether you're in the solar panel sector, a home automation business, or the AI technology field, we're here to provide you with the knowledge and expertise you need to succeed. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll delve deeper into various marketing strategies, case studies, and industry-specific insights. Remember, our first consultation is on the house, so don't hesitate to reach out to us, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and let's embark on this marketing journey together. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep thriving